Hello everyone, this is Sheethal Maria with you at BioOcean, and today we are here to learn the exact difference between some similar biological terms that we often use. We use these biological terms since we have started writing biology, but still we have some kind of confusion regarding their meanings. Their pronunciations are somewhat similar, but still they portray a huge difference in their meaning. So we are going to learn these differences here today. I have chosen for a five bunch of words. Let us understand and learn it together so that you can use it properly ahead. The first bunch is an epitope and a para. These two words are used in an immunological perspectives. Hope you know what an epitope and a paratope actually means. For better understanding, we can say that an epitope is a specific portion of antigen to which an antibody comes and bind. It is also called as antigenic determinant. See, I will teach you what an antigen and antibody is in our next video. Okay, let us understand these terms here. Epitopes means that specific piece of antigen, and paratope can be described as that part of antibody which goes and bind to the epitope, or which goes and bind to the antigen. That is what paratope actually means. See, let us understand this concept or these words using a picture. This picture here shows a blue colored substance that is called as the antigen, and it has a black colored underlining, and that is the portion to which an antibody comes and bind. So that is the epitope. That Y-shaped structure is the antibody, and it too has a hollow surface in its arm so that it can bind to the antigen or that epitope properly, and that surface of antibody is called as the paratope. Okay, the next bunch is what is the difference between a dose and a dosage. These two words are used in medical perspective. Actually, these both of these words are synonymously used, but they portray a huge difference in their meaning. We are going to learn those differences in their meanings. Dose means that quantity of medicine or quantity of a toxin, but dosage means rate of application of a dose. See, if you are taking a medicine once a day, that is the dose. Quantity of medicine is once a day. Okay, one medicine per day, so that is the dose. While that application, rate of application of that medicine can be described as the dosage. It is similar in case of toxin. That quantity of toxin is called dose, and its rate of application is called as dosage. The next bunch is interspecific and intraspecific. These two words are commonly used in ecological perspective. Okay, when we study about competition and all that, here we are going to learn, or we are going to understand the difference between inter and intra. Interspecific means that is occurring between two different species, while intra refers to that occurring in between two individuals of the similar species or two individuals of the same species. If two cats are having a conflict or having a competition, they two are belonging to the same species but are two different individuals, so we can call it as an intraspecific. While if there is a conflict in between a mongoose and a snake, they two are different species, so we can call them as interspecific competition. Naturally, competition occurs for a resource, like for some food, for habitat and all that. See, here I am showing a picture where this animal and that birds are competing together for that nut which that animal holds. So these two are different species. We can regard as interspecific. This picture, the two animals, they are two same animals that are competing with each other for that food. These two animals are competing. They are of same species. So we can say that it is intraspecific competition. Hope you understand it well. The next bunch of words are ecophene, ecotype, and ecospecies. They have clues in themselves. Let us understand with these clues. Ecophene are those individuals which are adapted to phenotype. Ecotype are those individuals which are adapted to habitat, and ecospecies are those individuals which are adapted to genotype. Here in the first word comes the phenotype. So Ecofene. It refers to ecofene. In the second words, habitat is used, so it refers to ecotype. In the third word, genotype is used, so it refers to as ecospecies. Connect these words and understand the concept. Okay. The next bunch of words are bioremediation, bioaugmentation, biomagnification, and bioaccumulation. All are starting with bio but portrays a huge difference in their meaning. These words are entirely different from each other. Let us understand each and every word properly. Okay, bioremediation can be considered as the use of naturally occurring, or we are introducing some microorganism deliberately to an polluted area where there are so many pollutants are present in order to clean that polluted site and make them an unpolluted area. We are using microorganisms here. That is why bio term is used. See the picture. The left side of a picture is a polluted area. Injection or introduction of microbes are making it to a unpolluted area. The recovery of the area is happening. That is what the process of bioremediation mean. Hope you understand the concept. Hope you understand the processes. Here also bioremediation is portrayed. Those yellow colored substances are the contaminants, and after introduction of microorganisms, these contaminants are permanently removed. Okay, so now it is a clean side. Now it is unpolluted. Okay, now let us move to the another word. The second word is bioaugmentation. It is the process of addition, or it is the process of increasing the speed of degradation of the contamination for making it a clean or an improved environment. Here we are introducing some actively growing microbes in order to make it more faster. Okay, the next word is biomagnification. It is also called as bioamplification. Amplify and magnify are those words which refers to an increase. So here the concentration of a contaminant increases in the tissues of an organism when it comes to a trophic level. When it comes to the trophic levels of a food chain, see the picture here. Some small or unicellular organisms are consuming small amount of contaminants, while going up to the higher trophic levels, larger organisms are consuming the contaminant in an increased manner. This is what biomagnification means. The last word is bioaccumulation. Accumulation means to gather up. If some toxin is accumulated in an area, if some toxin is present in a higher amount in an area, it is called as accumulated. So bioaccumulation means the gradual accumulation of any kind of substance, any kind of chemical in the body of an organism when it consumes in a higher rate than in a rate in which it excretes. That is, the consumption rate is higher when it is compared to the excretion rate, so it gets accumulated in the body of an organism. So that is why it is called as bioaccumulation. Hope you all have understood the concept and the terms well. Use these clues which are there in the terms itself in order to learn it. Otherwise, keep the pictures that I have shown in your mind and memorize it. Okay, this picture will make you to write or to learn these terms by yourself. No more efforts are needed. Okay, hope you all have understood. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Comment your suggestions in the comment box and share it to your friends and relatives who are interested to learn biology. If you have any kind of doubts, let me know by my email ID which I have provided. Let us clear the doubts there. Okay, now let us end it here. We can see in our next video. Thank you. God bless you all.